Most dropshippers don't even know about these 5 steps. The very first, and let's not forget the most crucial one, is selecting a niche that speaks to you. You can't just chase trends or blindly copy products that sell well. It's all about building a brand that aligns with your interests and passions. Trust us, it makes a massive difference. So the first step is researching and choosing a good niche. Now you may be wondering, how can I do this? Therefore, I will provide you with a few actions that I would take if I were starting anew. Firstly, I would assess myself or my family to identify our interests. After that, I would conduct some research. Here's a brief overview. So, let's say you might love camping with your family, and I am thinking that it might be a good idea to begin selling products in the camping niche. So you can start by exploring the camping niche on Alibaba and AliExpress. You are likely already familiar with AliExpress and Alibaba, which are online marketplaces that link buyers with manufacturers in Asia. These platforms offer an extensive selection of products, with very few items that you cannot find. At this point, my plan is to go camping and browse through the market, taking a broad view of what is available. As I look around, I'm noticing a wide variety of products on offer. My main objective is to assess the level of demand, and in this instance, I can confirm that there is a significant amount of demand. After analyzing the various products available, it is evident that there are many different types of products within this niche. This is how I would validate the niche. Next up, the second step is to create and launch multiple products that are specific to your niche. The idea is to offer as many products as possible to the same customer. Take our camping example, for instance. You can create and sell camping-related products, such as boots, backpacks, camping gas stoves, jackets, tents, camping chairs, and clothing. Your customers will appreciate having a variety of options to choose from, which translates to increased sales. So step number 2 is create and launch multiple products. Moving on to step 3, which is all about optimizing your product listings. My plan is to create well-optimized listings, which will include strong search engine optimization, SEO. This means that my listings will have an effective title, high-quality images, and good descriptions. It's vital to use the right keywords and post high-quality images that showcase your product's best features. Trust us. A little bit of effort here goes a long way in attracting customers. Step 4. Marketing. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. You can use these platforms to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. But that's not all. You must include paid advertising, email marketing, and influencer marketing, all of which will help you reach a broader audience. I want to remind everyone watching this that we are building a business. And if you are serious about this endeavor, it is important to recognize that building a business often requires some investment of funds. This is a natural part of the process. Returning to the earlier discussion about the significance of having a customer who can purchase a variety of products from you, this is when you can take things up a notch and encourage repeat business. The approach I'm referring to involves building an external email list that allows me to communicate with customers whenever new products are available, when there are sales, or when I simply want to update them on my offerings. The 5th step, and one that is the most important, is to provide exceptionally good customer service. Respond to customer inquiries quickly, process orders efficiently, and make sure that they are satisfied with their purchases. This can lead to repeat business and positive reviews, which will help you build your brand. Last but not least, the bonus step. Diversify your sales channels by selling your products on other marketplaces and your own website. This is a game changer and can help you reach a broader audience, which can increase your sales significantly. To wrap things up, if you're looking to start a successful Shopify store, our 5-step roadmap is the perfect guide for you. It requires research, passion, effort, and commitment. But trust us, it's worth it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a thriving Shopify store in no time. Because e-commerce is a top priority for you, I would like to share a video with you. I created a comprehensive guide titled, How to Start Dropshipping with No Money. In the video, I cover everything you need to know to start dropshipping without any upfront investment. I highly recommend that you watch it next.